Give a Tampa man a lethal dose that led to his deadly overdose? Well, the jury in the murder trial of Joseph Stilitano says the answer to that question is yes. After deliberating for hours yesterday, they returned a guilty verdict, but not for murder. Fox 13's Gloria Gomez shows us the evidence that may have swayed them.
Joseph Stilitano is the first accused drug dealer in Hillsborough County charged with murder to take his chances with a jury. After deliberating for hours, they had their verdict.
We, the jury, find as follows. The defendant is guilty of manslaughter, a lesser included offense.
In July of 2020, Joshua Sutphin died of a drug overdose. He had struggled with addiction for a while and was even on a treatment program just before his death. His fiancée discovered his lifeless body on the kitchen floor.
Did you ever touch Mr. Sutphin, try and move him?
Yes.
And were you successful at all in moving him?
No.
Prosecutors say the man who supplied him the drugs was Stilitano. A day after his death, they say Stilitano was driving Joshua's car when police pulled him over and found drugs in his pockets. The baggies had a red dice design, the same pattern found on a baggie in Joshua's trash can. This crime scene investigator collected it.
Do you remember the baggie having any particular pattern on it?
I do.
And what was that pattern?
I believe it was red dice. I believe it was dice, but it had a red pattern on it.
The medical examiner determined Joshua died from a lethal mix of heroin and fentanyl. But the defense doesn't think prosecutors can link the fatal dose to Stilitano. They say he was buying drugs just before his death from several dealers, including from a man named David. But detectives never looked into it.
No one reaches out to talk to David. No one looks at David's cell phone.
A lot for the jury to consider before handing down their weighty decision. Gloria Gomez, Fox 13 News.
Again, Stilitano was convicted of the reduced charge of manslaughter. His sentencing is set for June 8th.